Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to check the CPU architecture in CentOS Stream 8 operating system. So CPU architecture is nothing but it will be a 32-bit or 64-bit CPU. So we are going to see how to check that whether your CPU is 32-bit or 64-bit. So open the terminal. First command I am executing hostname.ctl. So hostname.ctl, you can see last line architecture is got displayed. So you can grep or you can customize this command using grep. Yes, so it will display the architecture only. Next, arch command. So arch command also will display the CPU architecture. It's a very simple command. Next, uname -m. So uname -m also will display the CPU architecture. You can see that CPU architecture has got displayed. So this is the way you need to check CPU architecture using these commands in CentOS Stream 8 operating system.